What's Gucci? Hey, what's up, bruhs? Man, it's your boy Pal Cantizzle, bruh. I'm back, yeah. I'm back at you guys with a brand new video today. I enjoyed doing my last unboxing vid, so I figured, I'd do another one. I got a big box. I'll show you guys that in a second. But first and foremost, I gotta shout out the Sus Squad. You dig what I'm saying? And shout out everybody who participated in dropping comments on my last video. My boy grailz, French, you know what I'm saying? He said I was born in 2001, but it's cool if you want some. I won't tell. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate that, bruh. I'm really glad that, you minors ain't snitching these days. Speaking of snitching, my boy Adam A739 said Paul Cantu is the type of guy to smoke weed and call the cops on himself. Bruh. That's actually funny though, cause real talk, people like dead ass do that shit. But like I haven't. One time I was on Stuck. First time I hit a dab, I went to the club, which was retarded. And they like patted you down too, and I was like, bruh, I ain't even got the heater on me today, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I was on Stuck looking at this hot bitch on the bench. Anyways, man, today we got an eBay unboxing. I hope y'all enjoyed that video, and I hope that's some motivation to comment. So yeah, man, we got a giant ass box. We got another box right here. I'm not gonna lie though, this box has absolutely nothing to do with this video. I just needed some big ass box. I really have a bag instead from Marshall Home Goods. You know that I'm a frequent shopper. I got the credit card and everything, and I got like 11 of these little packages that I got off eBay. So basically, man, to give you guys, I got this package too. Hey, peep the package. And I also got another one. But basically what happened was I figured like I waste a lot of time at stoplights. So I decided to just start browsing eBay. I don't know how much money I spent, but I feel like I got good deals on all this stuff. So without further ado, man, I enjoyed the last unboxing, so I shall enjoy this. I don't even remember half the shit I hoarded. So without further ado, let's dig in. You know what I'm saying? Alright guys, so I'm gonna first dive into these floppy packages that really have no substance to them. And of course, the most practical means of opening packages is with Trish the blonde hair bitch. So we gotta go in. I'm cutting that backwards, but somehow that worked. Yeah, man, I'm a real practical package opener. Oh, dog, yo, shout out this person, man. They wrapped the stuff in tissue paper. Oh yeah, so this is a fuck up, man. I thought this was an adult size large. I got this Space Jam tee, but this is actually a U-size large, and I got finesse for $25. For $25 because I didn't read the description. But yeah, I got Space Jam on the back. It's a very iconic movie. Shout out Michael Jordan. This has a lot of details on it. Maybe I could rock it as a crop top. I'll throw it on body so you guys can be the judge. And so you guys got a little, whack action, you know what I'm saying? So, you know what, I'm not even gonna grab the horse off the ground. That's a lot of work. I'm digging into this next one. Oh shit. Bruh, it smells like they spray perfume or Lysol or maybe even some like Crisco, It's they sprayed something in this package. So this next piece I got off auction. I got it for a steal, bruh. This shit is that fire. It is a Chirac exclusive. Look at this. I got the Chicago White Sox, pinstripe chalk line jacket, bruh. I think I got this for like $35. The reason why I got a bunch of Chicago gear is because I'm going to SneakerCon Chicago, so everybody who lives in the Windy City, pull up on your boy. This is a fire piece though. I love the big ass printing on that satin. It's old school, out of the 90s/80s. So yeah, this will go with a lot of stuff too because it's in the black and gray colorway all day. Now, I'm running over a package with my chair. And the next one, the next one is the dude who straight up defeated AIDS like a boss. You know what I'm saying? You got the Magic Johnson, LA Lakers. Wow, why is this? Motherfucker. I wish this shit would just, alright, I kind of got to stretch the fabric. You got this Magic Johnson dope ass starter jersey right here with the sublimated print. This is super old school. It has like that 80s or / like real early 90s starter tag with the flames looking like a hot Cheeto bag. So that absolutely is scrumptious. But yeah, man, this just goes to show that like if you get AIDS from fucking on hella dirty bitches or dudes, you can defeat it if you got enough money. So that's a real inspirational story. Shout out that boy Magic Johnson. I think I got a bunch more jerseys. That's why these packages are so flimsy. Oh yeah, we got another one, son. I ordered 2 of these. What the fuck? Was I high?
Let me dig in that bag of the reefer.
Yeah, you got another one. Yeah, you got this Magic Johnson jersey. It's fucking gray.
Tripping.
Yeah, it also got the tag on the back, size medium. These are really fire, really rare. And the reason I copped them is so I could show off my fucking non-existent tats, and because I'm low-key trying to get my vegan swole on. So that helps. You know, I'm trying to be puff thick too. You dig? Dude, I just opened this in dead ass, like, this is like a fucking portal into another dimension. There's like, I don't know if it's double bagged or what I don't know what type of bag magic this is, but this shit is some dark arts, bro. The fuck? Oh! Yo, this shirt is fire, dude. So, damn, they like triple wrap this thing, bro. Only use one condom though, like dead ass. Cause two, the friction will bust. Helpful tip. But yeah, man, I got this Phoenix Suns, another Magic Johnson tee. This shit is fire, bro. This will go with my asteroid foam posits. It has the Suns looking like that dude off of the Fantastic Four, like his skin texture. It also has the ball, you know, flying with this animated sun. You guys can pretty much see what's going on here. It says Suns on the sleeves. These are very clean, man. I love these Magic Johnson tees, even though they fit kind of boxy. Like they low-key will show off my Audi that turned into any belly button. So that's stunting. Really happy about that product. And then we got, fuck man, we got four more exploratory parcels, man. This one looks kind of durable, so you already know it's time to rip whatever's inside with Trish the blonde hair bish. You know, you gotta use your horse sparingly, you know what I'm saying? Like, homegirl's in the Kentucky Derby, I can't be using up all her blade action when she gotta chop down the opponent's calves and stuff. Dude almost cut that jacket. But we in there like swimwear. Another Chicago piece I got. See, man, I just want to pull up to Chicago with that heat. Is this 1980s? What's that coach's name? Dicka. I got that Mike Dicka jacket right here. Got the C on it. Very clean. This is out the 80s. It's all embroidered. This is a starter jacket. No, it's a chalk line jacket, so it is definitely old school. That thing I got for bro, I don't want to reveal my deal, but I got that for like $15, so I was real happy on that note. This next piece we got right here is another sublimated tank. Boom! We shooting shit like a tank. Oh, bro, this is new with tags. This is another chalk line piece. This is fire, bro. Look at that colorway, son. You guys already know, got that Ultimate Warrior fucking sublimated dye tee. This fool got that face painting on deck. He has that nice feathered hairdo going on. And this was another steal, bro. So yeah, I was very happy with this jersey. It's super loud, super colorful, really dope for the summertime. And the reason why I cop stuff off eBay, man, is just because you can get some dope ass deals. Like, that's brand new. And that shit costs less than a fucking t-shirt at Zoomies, bruh. And that's what I'm saying, man, is like, that's why I'm always hunting either in the thrift or online, just anywhere and everywhere for treasures and gems. Now, this next little piece is, of course, another gem. It is a sexy ass Grant Hill Detroit Pistons. You know, I'd rather be pissed on than pissed off, you know what I'm saying? Jersey right here. I'm having a very hard time holding these hoes straight. But yeah, man, it has the little dark horse. Shout out Katy Perry. And it says Hill on the back, number 33. Let me see this still recording. Oh man, we still fucking good. And we under 10 minutes, son. Dude, I'm like so efficient with my talking. Another piece we got is from my boy Christopher. I'm not gonna reveal your last name because I don't know if you actually fuck with me. But inside we have another jersey right here. This is a Champion USA jersey. And guess who it is, bruh? Grant motherfucking Hill. So yeah, these Champion jerseys are so sick though, because they got the little USA basketball embellishment. That C, they have the nice USA script with the basketball, and they even got the stars on the rib cage. So yeah, man, these are complete with everything you could ever want, imagine, or dream of. And then Hill is super big on the back. Now, we have two actual boxes. This is kind of cool, man, because I really don't remember all the stuff I bought. Like, I checked my little box at my over her apartment complex, and that shit was looking crazy. I know the postman got pissed off because I filled up one of those, and I ain't checked my shit for like a week and a half. So I'm sorry, bro. I'm irresponsible. But yeah, crack into this first package. Ooh, another Chirac heater that your boy got. Oh man, y'all. This is nuts. Boom, baby. You got the Chicago Bears. Again, another steal. fucking Fanimation jacket, excuse my language, but it has this giant ass grizzly on the back ready to attack. It has the little claw marks with the C's up in the sleeves. This is size medium. Damn, bro, I low-key am probably gonna be rocking this like one day at SneakerCon. But yeah, dude, I gotta come through with that heat, bro. Like, it's kind of weird, but at the same time very effective that all the Chicago gear that was really heat was on fucking sale on them bid actions, and I happen to win all of them things. So yeah, this is very dope. It goes with a lot of stuff, so I'm happy about that. And last and not least, I hope this final package actually is like a real heater and not some like anticlimactic action going on. So using the knife backwards, but it worked. We'll see what's up in here. Damn, okay, I see you double wrapping. This is a reusable bag. Okay. Oh no, this is just this is straight up from the homie, man. Yeah. So she made stickers. It's called Collective Clothing. She slid in my DMs on Instagram. But yeah, she sent me the Air Maxes. These are the 98s if I am correct. I'm not really the biggest Air Max fan. These are like a women's size. Oh damn. Yeah, she said they're falling apart and they really are. She was like, hey, maybe you can do something with them. Maybe I can, maybe I can't. I wish these were my size though. The 98s are a dope ass model. They sexy looking. So yeah, man, shout out to her. She also sent me a note. Fuck it, I'ma read it. Thanks for giving out your address to a stranger. Dude, that, what? Bro, who starts a note like that? We promised to keep it a secret. Who is we? I thought it was one person. Hope you enjoy the shoes. Collective Clothing. Yeah. Chattanooga, Tennessee, baby. Yeah, you're the only 10 I see. So, man, yeah, shout out for the shoes, or shout outs to you for the shoes. It's Paul Cantu. Hope you guys enjoyed that eBay unboxing, bro. I had a good time blowing money at stoplights. And shout out the Sus Squad, man. You guys are really in the comment section. I need to shout out this one dude, though. Oh, God. I need to shout out the homie. Fuck. Let me go ahead and retrieve this comment real quick. This fool always is making the most sus-ass rhyme schemes with my video titles, so I may low-key start making my titles really easy to rhyme with. He said, hella 90s gems, more like I'm trying to see what's good with Paul's big stem, you know? Hey, bro, shout out you, Schleiner90. I fucking love you. I love all you guys, man. Peace and love. Live the dream, eat that vegan ice cream. I'm like the loaded and I'm gone. Hey, also, football jerseys are real cool. A lot of people don't know how to rock them, but they fire. Shout out the moon god, Randy Moss. Peace.
Killing these songs, leaving a bloody life by rooster. And I'm in it to win it, so I'm somebody that you should get